Hey guys, James I here, bringing you another helpful video about MeasureSquare CRM. And let's get moving with this Outlook integration. So to get started, you're going to mouse over your name in the top right corner and then click on Profile. Within Profile, we have Email, we have Contact, and we have Calendar. So those are three areas that we're going to sync with our Outlook accounts. And before we get into it here, guys, it's important to note that there's a few different types of Outlook accounts. If you use Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Exchange Server for your Outlook email, there might be some work on the back end that you or your IT company has to do to allow MeasureSquare to access your Outlook account. But for this example, I'm using an Outlook.com account. Everything should run pretty smoothly with no need to change any settings. So I'm just going to log in there, and you could see that succeeded, and now our account is connected here. So I'm just going to do the same thing with my contacts. And lastly, with my calendar. Alright, and now in all three of these sections you could see my Outlook account is now connected to my MeasureSquare CRM account. And now let's see how this integration works. So if I were to send out an email, for example, this quote here. Now this will typically take a second because it's running the integration. So this email is currently sending from both my Outlook inbox and the CRM. It will be tracked in both places. Oh, and there we have a success. So now when I go into my Outlook sent folder here, yep, I have this file sent at 10:21. And here is my quote with the PDF attached. So that's just a quick run through of the email integration. If I go back to this project, that email will also be stored here within the project. And there that is. And then as far as the calendar goes, we have a two-way sync. So, I could do something like add an event to this calendar here, new task. And if I add this to my calendar within the CRM, that should instantly switch over to, yep, there it is on my Outlook calendar. So as you can see, guys, we have an Outlook sync built into both the calendar and the email sections of the CRM. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.